Hey guys, it's Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Coupon Topic Tuesday video. I have a whole bunch of these. I will link the playlist in the description box below. You can go ahead and click on the link and watch the ones that would be of interest to you. I'm always up to suggestions of new topics to discuss for these videos. Leave those in the comments below, and let's go ahead and get started with today's topic. So today's topic is disappearing coupons.com app rebates. So we're going to be talking about when you have your coupons.com app. We're not talking about the website where you print coupons from. So this is app only. When you activate your rebates, it's automatic cash back or you submit your receipt. When you activate these rebates, sometimes they are disappearing. I noticed this. A few of you guys have commented on some of my videos about this issue. I think someone actually commented it before I even realized that this was happening. So I contacted customer service and I want to go ahead and share with you what they basically told me. So they're saying there's one of three reasons why these rebates are disappearing. Number one is that the offer has expired. Well, that is not the case with most of us couponers. When we activate rebates, a lot of times we're kind of looking for deals to pair in with these rebates. So for most of us, that's not the problem. The next one would be that you've already redeemed the offer. If we're already redeeming the offer, we're not going to say that it's disappearing because we know that we've already redeemed it. So that's kind of an obvious one as well. So the number three is that you've already activated or redeemed this offer from another retailer, I think is what was said in the message that they sent me. So what I feel like it is, I don't think it's from printing coupons from the actual website and then your rebates disappear, because I have already printed coupons after I've activated rebates and my rebate was still there. I think what the deal is if you have a store card that is linked to your coupons.com app, if you go to that store's website and maybe click on coupons that pair in with coupons.com, it will come off your list saying that they're no longer available. But I'm guessing this is just a glitch. Eventually they'll figure this out and work it out to where it will be gone forever, where you're not going to still get the rebates. But I have found that even though they disappear, you still get them added to your account. Like I said, I don't know how long that's going to happen. They might put an end to it if you do clip coupons digitally from a different store. So I'm guessing that is what's going on. A while back, I did the Huggies deal. I don't think I even put this in a video because it was a Sunday trip to Giant. Sundays are super busy for me. But that morning, I think it was, I had activated, it was the new leaf diapers, pull-ups overnight. Coupons.com had all those offers. I also clipped them digitally. I didn't even go back and check. Went to the store, did the deal. Later on that night, I checked my app and all those rebates for the Huggies were gone. And I was like, what? I was counting on those. And then like 2 days later, I get like a message, hey, PayPal, coupons.com sent you $11 through PayPal, even though the rebates did disappear. So like I said, I feel like that's what is going on. If you activate coupons, they might not be the exact same amount, but if you're still activating coupons, I guess it sees that it's a like offer. I think that's what the message even said. If you're something about if it's a similar offer, I think is what the wording was exactly. So anyway, guys, I hope that explained it. For now, activate everything and have your fingers crossed that you're still going to redeem your rebates or you're going to get your rebates back. That's how it is so far. It's June 2021. I honestly don't know how long it's going to last like that. They might just end up putting an end to that also. I think it might just be a glitch in the system, but you know, whatever. So there you go, guys. That is what I have figured out, why they're disappearing. So anyway, just some information to be aware of. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments down below if you have anything to say regarding this or if you want to leave a suggestion for a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.